Forgotten username recovery failed on Webull App Fix. If recovering your Webull username feels impossible, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping essential verification steps. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access when you follow the correct method. Step 1. Open the Webull app or visit the login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Webull will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can easily get filtered, which is why many users think the process failed. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily block your account. Step 3. If your register email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact Webull customer support directly with these details for a faster resolution. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Activating two-factor authentication is a smart move to prevent future lock-in issues and keep your account secure. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Webull account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for protecting your financial data.